we have not done a house tour in years. Our last house tour was in LA in our old home. Welcome to our new home here in Miami. Come on in.
This is a new house.
Woohoo!
I got Cameron's home.
This is Cammie's home. So this is the space that we completely fell in love with when we came and saw this house for the first time. It was just being built. Just the bones were up, but we could already tell it was going to be such a beautiful space filled with warm natural light. You can see straight through to the pool in the backyard. What was so exciting to us about this home is that we had the opportunity to completely customize it, build it almost from scratch. Every element you see here was really intentional and personal to us. This is our formal dining room. We host a lot of parties in this big space here. My favorite part of this dining room is the massive custom travertine table that my friend Lauren of DLCO Interiors and I worked on together. It is called the Playroom oval table. It is pure travertine, custom built for this space, and it's just so incredibly beautiful. My idea for this space is I wanted it to feel like the foyer of a hotel. I've always loved the Edition hotels, and one of my favorite hotels, the Edition in LA, has beautiful travertine going all the way up the walls in the lobby. We decided to do Neolith travertine on these walls here. Our ceilings are 20 feet tall. It's kind of hard to capture on camera. This is our formal living room. We really wanted to create a conversation area where we can welcome guests, have a glass of wine, and just talk for hours and hours. So to create an environment that's conducive to that, we paired two of the Rove Concepts Diane sofas facing one another here in front of the fireplace. In the center, we have this beautiful statement travertine Liza coffee table from the Rove Concepts Black Label collection, and I love its low profile because again, it just leans into this being a really conducive space for comfort and conversation. We like to rotate these pieces here from time to time depending on the time of year and what other decor we have going on. So this is another setup we've had here. This is the Rove Concepts Reya curved sectional, the Mia lounge chairs, and Liza side table. What do you love most about this living room here, girls?
I like the fireplace and you can touch the fire.
The fireplace is from Aquafire, and we combined two of their 40-inch units and have been so incredibly happy with the ambiance this creates without the actual heat and danger of a real fire. So being that we're from LA, having a fireplace was a must just because all of the beautiful homes in LA always have a fireplace. In Miami, they're not that practical, so we did a water vapor fireplace, and it's amazing for the girls because they can't get hurt. And what else do we do here? Sometimes we celebrate birthdays, right?
Yeah.
And we set up a big cake, and we sing happy birthday to you, and to you, and to you. We've had lots of birthdays here. That's what makes this space extra special.
You and you.
That's right. So this is the space where we spend the most time. I always wanted to have one big great room where we could be cooking, watching movies, kids are hanging, playing games, Sunday brunch over here in the breakfast nook, doing projects, homework, and this is where life really happens. Almost all of our furniture in this space is from Arhaus, just really modern classic transitional pieces. So on the way from the living room to our room, we have a little bar here. Great for a little nightcap and also entertaining at night once the girls are sleeping. This is the primary suite. We love to have movie nights in here too. All the girls pile in here after spa time and watch movies.
Movies! Serious!
My personal favorite part about the primary suite is that G and I have our own separate bathrooms and separate closets. I love being able to get ready here in the morning, have this floating vanity in a space where I can get natural light. I love to look out here and see the kids playing in their playhouse from King Swings. We'll do a full backyard tour very soon. This is G's bathroom. Come on, girls. So we have been spending some time getting our little wellness studio together. It's not finished yet, but this is a dream come true to have a little gym in the house like this. I have my Pilates reformer, my treadmill. We just got some beautiful artwork up here, and it is such a luxury, honestly, to have this, to have a space to just move any time of day, especially as a mom. Sometimes when I can't get my workouts in the morning, I'll come in here at night after I get the girls down to bed and get my workout in. So good. This is our powder room. I am loving burgundy. Please go see them. This is the older girls' bedroom, and they insist on sharing a room together, which I think is so sweet. I really wanted to make this space feel dreamy for them, so I found this stunning wallpaper from Calico that makes it feel like heaven in here. And this is Cammie's room. This might be my favorite room in the house now. I can't decide, but I love this space so much. We went full on girly. G spent months, literally months, doing the Roman clay floor to ceiling. I appreciate it so much though because it turned out gorgeous and it makes the room feel extra cozy.
This is so fun. I love this place.
You love this place?
Yes.
Can you get the Samantha book?
Oh, yeah.
Cammie loves reading so much, so I wanted to do a reading nook. Thank you. Welcome to our guest room. We wanted this space to just feel really clean and serene. Our guests deserve a grand bed, and the Berlin bed from Rove Concepts is a dream. And the Mia lounge chairs, also from Rove Concepts, complement this space so beautifully. Every room in this house has an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. On the north wing of the house, we have the playroom. I wanted to give the girls a space that is completely theirs to just be free and playful and messy if they want to be. They turn these mini sofas from House of Noah into their forts, do arts and crafts in here, and just make the sweetest sister memories together. We also have another bedroom, mudroom, washroom, and 3-car garage on this side of the house, but that's for another time. These spaces are not done and look crazy right now.
Thank you for visiting us.
Bye!
Ooh, pose, pose, pose. Wow.